Hey, happy October 10th. If you're a diabetic or you know someone who's a diabetic, tell them about the Libre 14. I'm eating huckleberry oatmeal for lunch. Okay, here's a little story about the Libre 14. This is my sensor that mounts on my skin. One of these failed on me about a week ago. It was in for a total of 9 days, and on the 9th day it failed. I called Freestyle and let them know, called my doctor's office, called the pharmacy, blah, blah, blah. They told me to contact the company. I contacted them via phone and got a gentleman on the phone that asked me to go through my app on my cell phone and gather some information off of it. Oh, and by the way, let's see where I'm at right now. Okay. I'm at 89, coming up a little bit low, but I'm doing good. He went through my phone with me, and we found the moment where the meter failed, or the sensor failed. Long story short, they mailed me a new sensor to replace the one that had failed without me returning it or anything. They guaranteed that the delivery would be within the time frame that I had on the 14-day meter. So, having said all of that, the Libre 14 is a miracle for diabetics, and if you are one, get one of these things at all costs, whatever it takes. It will change your life. It changed mine. Again, my average daily glucose, let's see, average right now, 7-day average is 100. Let's see, oh wait, let me look, hold on. 7-day, my average is 114. Oh my, yeah, batting 1,000, man. I'm hitting right. My target's 120. I'm averaging 114, and this allows me to do that. I've had a few moments of highs once in a while. I'm not perfect. I don't walk on water. It's a difficult balancing act. Emotions. My mom died today, and yesterday was a very tough day, and I watched my blood glucose get high. That's a very important thing to know as a diabetic, and if you don't have one of these devices, you're probably only checking your blood glucose once or twice a day. My average is 17. I'm checking my blood glucose 17 times, and I'm doing it twice during this video, and I just watched my blood glucose raise 1 point. Peace, y'all.